Hi guys, welcome back to our house. We are going on another rampage on the robot vacuum. See? Ready, sis? Guys, what are y'all doing? We love the robot vacuum. I love going on the robot vacuum. Yeah, but sometimes y'all a little bit dangerous, okay? Yeah, we absolutely know that. Ah, it's coming! Coming! When are y'all gonna start your rampage again? It's going places. Where's it going? Let's go! And I'm the robot vacuum. Where are y'all going now? We're going where the robot vacuum's going. Oh, great. Ah! Heading towards me. Gotta run. Oh my god. They're on the robot vacuum. Mangoes may get down from there right now. You can't tell us what to do. Take me to it. Y'all are slow. Why do y'all have to be made like this? Because we like going on the robot vacuum. Let's go. Yeah. I love the robot vacuum. Guys, subscribe for part 4. Bye.